GerMed offers Mayo Dissecting scissors with a selection of special features to meet procedure specifications and surgeon preferences. They are available straight or curved in a variety of lengths and have a standard beveled blade. The curved scissors are most commonly utilized for cutting or dissecting deep tissue, and the straight are used for cutting surface tissue. Mayo Tungsten Carbide super sharp scissors have tungsten carbide insert blades that are made of a much harder metal than standard steel scissors. They have a lower micro-serrated blade and an upper razor-sharp blade, and may be distinguished by their black and gold handles. For more information, call, email, or visit our websites.